To convert USDT to XRP on OKX, start by logging into your OKX account and navigating to the trading dashboard. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one and complete the necessary verification steps. Once logged in, click on the Trade button and select the Spot Trading option. In the search bar, type USDT and select the USDT token. Then, click on the Convert button next to it. In the Convert section, select XRP as the token you want to convert your USDT to. You will see the current market rate and the amount of XRP you will receive. Enter the amount of USDT you want to convert or use the percentage buttons to convert a portion of your USDT balance. Review the conversion details, including the amount of XRP you will receive and the fees associated with the conversion. If everything looks correct, click the Convert button to complete the transaction. Your USDT will be converted to XRP at the current market rate, and the XRP will be deposited into your OKX wallet. You can then use your XRP to make trades, transfer it to an external wallet, or hold it in your OKX account. It is essential to note that conversion rates and fees may vary depending on market conditions. So it is crucial to review the conversion details carefully before completing the transaction. Additionally, make sure you have sufficient USDT in your account to cover the amount you want to convert and any associated fees. By following these steps, you can easily convert your USDT to XRP on OKX and start trading or holding XRP in your account. Always remember to prioritize security and only use reputable exchanges like OKX to manage your cryptocurrency transactions.